Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic. The topic is how to use the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. The Files app offers a convenient way to work with your files and connect to online services and external drives. Here's how to access, view and manage files in iOS and iPad OS. Apple lets you view and manage files stored on online services such as iCloud Drive Books, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive all in one place. You can also view files stored directly on your iPhone or iPad and run a variety of commands on them. With each new version of iOS and iPads, Apple's process up the Files app with some interesting new features to make sure you are able to tap into the latest ones. Go to Setting, General Software Update. Your device will tell you that your software is up to date or prompt you to download the latest update. Now let's check out the Files app to see how you can work with documents, photos and files in the cloud and on your device. Connect services to the File app. The first time you launch Files, you shall need to enable and connect to the services you use. Tap the ellipsis icon at the top and select Edit from the menu. Then return on the switch for any online locations you want to add. You can also press down on the hamburger icon next to favorite services and drag each one up or down to sort them the way you want. Type the name of a service you want to upload. The first time you do this, authentication is required to view items in this folder. In some cases, you may receive an authentication message, which means you need to open the app first in order to use in its files. Do this for each site. You add and sign in with the appropriate username and password for each one. You can connect your device to a USB stick, SD card, or external hard drive. To do this, you must physically plug the storage device into your iPhone or iPad using the right adapter and cable. You can then access the drive and its content through the Files app. If you have a network server or NAS, you can connect to it with your device and access it through the File app. Just make sure it supports SMB, a universal network protocol that lets different systems access the share the same files, and that the feature has been enabled. To set this up in the Files app, tap the ellipsis icon in the upper right, choose Connect to Server, and then type the name or IP address of the server. Initially, I was unable to connect to the NAS. Through a help online forum, I discovered that I had to set the maximum SMB protocol to SMB3. If you have trouble connecting to a server or NAS through the Files app, you may need to connect the vendor for help. The Files app is also compatible with an encrypted drive through only drives formatted using APFC are currently supported. To try this, connect your encrypted storage device or connect to an encrypted network share. Select the drive and tap the login link. Enter the password for the drive and then select unlock to gain access to the drive. You can find files across different locations in the search field at the top. Type the name of the file you want. The app scans your various locations and displays a list of search results in response. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah.